So today we're going to review area, and then I'm going to introduce today's lesson. Just a quick review that remember, area is the measure of the number of unit squares needed to cover a flat surface. Okay, so if I want to find the area, I'm finding the inside measurement. And then a unit square is a square with a side length of 1 unit. It has an area of 1 square unit. So when I'm measuring in squares. Remember, when I measure perimeter, I'm measuring the outside of a shape. So if I wanted to make a figure with 2 unit squares, 1, 2, I can say that the area of this figure is 2 square units. It's made of 2 squares. If I wanted to make a figure with 3 unit squares, so 1, 2, 3, I know this figure is made of 3 unit squares, so the area is 3 square units. When I'm trying to find area, one way to find the area is just to count how many squares there are. These are square centimeters. I know each square is a square centimeter. So all I do is count up how many squares there are, and that will tell me the area. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this figure is made up of 17 unit squares, so the area is 17 square centimeters. Okay, let's go to today's lesson. Today I'm going to learn that I actually can find the area by multiplying. But let's first review a few different ways. This is actually Christina's garden. It's shaped like a rectangle. This is a picture of it. And it says that each square is 1 square meter. So I know one way is to count the squares, right? I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 unit squares, so there are 18 square meters. That is the area. Another way is to use repeated addition. So here's the same figure. I know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 units in a row, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. So I know that I have 3 rows, right? 1, 2, 3 of 6 units, squares. So if I add 6 plus 6 plus 6, that will tell me the area, which is 18. So the area is 18 square meters. Here is today's way. We're going to use multiplication. I know that if I multiply how many rows there are, which is 3, times how many in each row, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I multiply 3 rows of 6, or 3 times 6, I also get 18. So the way I solve finding the area by multiplication is multiplying 3 times 6, which equals 18. So the area is 18 square meters. So for today's lesson, anytime you have a rectangle and you need to find the area, multiply how many rows by how many in each row.